Hello student, good morning to NVDI group, class 10 Indian medium civics chapter popular struggles and the movement. In this class, I have to teach you about the water war in the Bolivia. In the previous class, I have told you the famous movement of the Nepal to restore the democracy. But in the water war in the Bolivia, we have seen that the democracy system are in a Bolivia, but the unfair decision taken by the Bolivia government. Bolivia government. He was a very poor country. So the government take the unfair decision against to the peoples. He was take the decision that the water supply of municipal corporation, he take the decision that to increase the taxes. He gave the water supply to the private sector, and this sector was increasing the tax of water supply. The water supply increasing the 1,000 per month. So the poor countries, many are peoples are the monthly income are 5,000, but the water's tax increase the 1,000. So the conflict create to the government and the people, because the taxes are very high in the water. So the create the problem to the water in a Bolivia. So the peoples are started the movement against the government to the Bolivia. Many are peoples were arrested in this movement, and many are peoples protest the decision of government. The movement are very famous. So after some time, the government of Bolivia are take the decision are return वापस लिया, and the taxes are decreases. So we have seen in this moment the unfair decision taken by the Bolivia government. So the people are started the struggle, create the conflict between the government and the people. So we have analysis to the Nepal and the Bolivia movement. The Nepal movement are started against the kingship to restore the democracy. आप वो डेमोक्रेसी को रिस्टोर करना चाहते थे, but in a Bolivia the established in the democracy system in the Bolivia, but the government take unfair decision. The government take unfair decision against the people. So this is the mass movement against the government, democracy governments. So we have seen the two types of government, kingship and the democracy. One Nepal, the movement is a restore the democracy. But in Bolivia, we have seen the unfair decision of democratic countries. So the people started a movement against the government. This movement are against the government and the Nepal movement against the kingship. We have compared the two movements. Thank you.